In this video, you will learn how to get a business license in Connecticut, choose your business structure, decide if you would operate a sole trader or LLC, partnership or corporation, register your business, file your business with the Connecticut Secretary of State and register a trade name if required, apply for an EIN number, get your employer identification number from the IRS to handle taxes and payroll, determine license requirements. Connecticut does not have an issue as a statewide general business license, but certain industries like food service or construction require state-level permits. Apply for local business licenses. Check with your city or town clerk's office to apply for the necessary local business licenses or permits you may need. Pay fees and complete registration. Submit required fees, finalize your paperwork and receive your license or permit before you start your operations. Now you know how to get a business license in Connecticut. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.